With every Little Rebel, you get a training panel and a little booklet that will help you understand the ins and outs of your new machine. So I will show you what's in this. So let's open it up. In your little package, you will receive a panel for a little house. This panel is super cute and super fun, and there are so many different colors, and we're gonna cut out each individual piece along its edge, and then we'll come back to our Little Rebel and sew it up. Now that we have all 5 of our pieces cut out, I'm gonna take our 2 smaller squares and we're gonna put right sides together and line it up. And once we do that, we're gonna go over to the sewing machine and we are going to sew. I'm using our Grape Finesse thread color, and I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna do a couple back stitches to make sure it stays in place, and then I'm gonna line it up and do a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, or a 1/4 of an inch seam, I should say. And then once I get to the end, I'm gonna do a back stitch and come out, lift up my foot, and I'm gonna clip the threads. So this is the first part. What we're gonna do is we're gonna either go to our iron or you can finger press. For right now, I'm just gonna finger press it, put it down, and since I have a little bit of longer nails, it works perfectly. And then we're gonna take our house and we're gonna put right sides together for this. So we're gonna place this, we're gonna line it up, and as you can see, we have right sides together, which means you can see sort of the back of the fabric, and that's what's gonna be facing you. Let's go to our machine. Same thing again. Right now I have it on a little bit of a medium for both speed and stitch length. Okay, that part is done. We're almost there. So now I'm gonna finger press this part and then I'm gonna sew the 2 sides together and then we'll be done. So I'm gonna take one side and I'm gonna line it up with the side of the house and triangles. And then let's take it to our Little Rebel. And if you want to pin this, you totally can. I usually pin with most of my projects, but for this one, it's pretty simple. So I'm just gonna line it up with my hands and hold it there. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna finger press it just a little bit. Okay, one side done. Now let's repeat the process. So that is how you're gonna piece together your training panel. And then you can either take it to go to your frame and put your Little Rebel on your frame, or if you have a long arm, to use that too. Or I'm gonna show you how to push quilt in another video.